Hi everyone, so this is me again, Jeansy Veral, and welcome to my channel. So today I will give you a quick update of my garden, and also I will show you what I have in my garden, what kind of fruits, what kind of herbs, what kind of vegetables I've got in my garden. And also I'm going to water my plants as well. First is I'm going to spray my herbs and my okra. So those are my herbs and my okra. Why I place them there? Because my back garden, it's already full, and I don't want to include this in there. Then I planted something in here. I am hoping it will really grow. It's the chayote squash or sayote. I'm hoping it will grow. And this is my rosemary, thyme, and my sage. Here, I'm hoping it will grow bigger. I water my plant every other 2 days, and instead of watering them every day, I keep watering them every after 2 days, and I water them a lot. So I got the cherry tomatoes, I got the steak tomatoes or the burger tomatoes, I got my pepper, my red pepper, I got my eggplant, I got my green eggplant also. I'm hoping that one will really grow. And then I got my okra, that one is my okra, and then those two are my eggplants. I got my potatoes right here. I guess I need to start harvesting them. Maybe they're ready to harvest. And then those are my onions. So what I am doing now, guys, is trying to put these two stems apart together, since I don't want them to hang on the ground too low, since they have this fruit already, and once this one will really grow, it will keep hanging on the ground. So that's why we need to just let them stay inside the group here. And then this one also, it has this fruit or vegetable. Is tomato considered as a fruit or a vegetable? I guess both, right? So I need to hang this, or not hang, but clip this here. Okay, so now let's go to the other side of my garden, which I planted my grapes. This is my grapes, and I water them a lot. Look at my grapes. They are loaded with fruits, and I am very proud of these grapes here, these vines here. Look at that. It's really loaded. It's right here at the back of this one. Look at those. They are loaded. You see that, guys? Loaded. And then this is my other grapes, and I'm not really an expert on planting these grapes here, so I'm not really sure if they need to be watered every day. In my case here, I keep watering them a lot because it's really hot here, real hot, and then the plants needs water also. Got here the bushes, the blueberry bushes. Look, that one, it's loaded with fruits also. This is an organic blueberry. I did not add any chemicals in it. And then this is the second one. And then that's the third one. I don't know, maybe it's because I did not add any other plant foods. That's why their fruit is super tiny, real tiny, as in tiny, 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 tiny. And then this is my lime, my calamansi or Filipino lime. And then the other side of this garden, I've got here the string beans. And I don't know why, but this year the beans really grow super slow. Here in this side is I've got a satsuma. So, yep guys. Ito, I just need to sprinkle some water on this one and my grapes so that the leaves is not really totally dry. There. So, ayun guys, that was the update of my garden. I am hoping next year I can plant more, but maybe I cannot because Luna is occupying the space, the tiny space where I used to plant some of my vegetables. And I'm planning to make some vines shed so that there's really a spot for Luna to stay where it's not too hot. Ayun. Thank you so much for watching, for always watching and for always supporting me with my channel. And this is just, this is just an update of my life here in the United States. So if I don't do cooking videos, I do plant videos. If I don't do any plant videos, I just maybe some random videos that I created and then just share it to everybody. Have a great day everyone. Be safe always. Get vaccinated. Either it's AZ or J&J or it's Moderna or it's Pfizer. If wherever you are in this world, get vaccinated. And thank you for watching. Bye bye.